side Isha Sharma and I am here to give presentation on the topic HRM practices at Tata. Human resource practices at Tata Motors. Tata Motors truly believes in a progressive people culture. Company ensures that a judicious mix of people is maintained in the workforce, and this is achieved through hiring multi-skilled people both from within the automobile industry and from other sectors. In addition, a regular and consistent requirement program at engineering and management institutes ensure a steady stream of high quality people getting induced to fuel the growth plans. They also have ongoing partnerships with different industrial training institutes beside their own professional training centers to recruit shop floor workforce. Now moving towards the HR practices of Tata Motors. First one is recruitment. Tata Motors followed both internal and external source of recruitment, and the nature of recruitment process of the company is subjected to the employment law. The main form which the company is using are advertising in newspaper, magazines and Tata Motors career portals and also internal vacancy list. At the end of every quarter, the company is floating their recruitment process on their web portal for the new candidates, and most of the vacancies are filled by the candidates who belongs to BTech and MBA background. Further, moving towards selection, Tata Motors also follow a series of steps in order to pick a suitable candidate from the bench of applicants. Tata Motors is concerned they follow the series of steps which starts from written test in case of campus requirement and goes on till the final selection, placement and induction. After screening the applicants, they call the candidates for employment test, and if cleared the candidates will be called for comprehensive interview, and when the candidates will clear, then the background investigation about the candidate will start, in which Tata Motors will verify the details of a particular candidate. When details are verified, the candidate will receive the offer letter from the concerned HR. Now training. When a new candidate joins Tata Motors, then they are given training. This training familiarizes them with the company's mission, vision, rules and regulation and the working conditions of Tata Motors. The existing employees of Tata Motors are trained to refresh and enhance the knowledge. If any update takes place in technology, training is given to cope with those changes. When promotion and career growth become important in Tata Motors, then training is given so that employees are prepared to share the responsibilities of the higher level job. Grooming the managers of today into the leaders of tomorrow, that's the brand objective of Tata Group's training process. Fourth one is Executive Selection Scheme. This scheme is a fast track program of Tata Motors which basically accelerated growth of high potential professionals, and the scheme facilitates the early advancement of challenging and visible assignments through a systematic procedure. Employees selected gain a huge lead in terms of promotion as well as learning. They are promoted to managers level by saving almost 10 to 13 years of work time within a Tata Motors. The successful employees are relieved from the current jobs and put on various projects with training under the guidance of senior managers who are working in the companies. Fifth one is volunteering policy. Tata Motors, with the concentration, is always committed to create a culture of volunteering within the company by engaging, encouraging, and recognizing employees' contribution. In terms of employees' talent towards the quality of life of the people in and around its area of operation, so this is one of the best action or an step which Tata Motors have taken. Learning programs. Apart from this, company also have leadership development program which include live video broadcast, live e-classroom, Tata Group Emerging Leader Seminars, Tata Group Executive Leadership Seminar, Tata Group Strategic Leadership Seminar. Tataship. This is one of the initiative taken by Tata Motors, which is basically focuses on women professional, and it's a clear transition management program for women professionals who earlier have taken a break of 6 months or more due to any reason and now wish to enter the profession field again. The program provides an opportunity for such kind of women to take and flex year assignment. Tata Ship does not provide full-time job opportunities. Assignments under Ship are short-term and aimed at developing alternative talent pools in traditional and non-traditional formats. There is no placement guarantee at the end of the project. However, ship consultants have the options of exploring full-time employment or mutual acceptable terms.